Part 2 of replacing Kyle's quarter on his 70 LTD, and actually someone commented and said it's an XL, so apparently there's a difference. I'm not the biggest muscle car fan, you know, or guy or whatever. I'm a truck guy. So that's cool to know. I'm sure Kyle knew that. Anyways, we got the inner weld all welded in, sprayed some rust mort on it to kill any rust that I couldn't get to, and just try to prevent any corrosion from here on out. After that's dried, we're gonna spray some weld through primer and then some rusty primer on the insides to help prevent it from rusting for another 10 years or so. And then we're gonna actually install the quarter, weld it on, and be done with the whole quarter replacement, because I actually want to move on to actually doing the body work on this car. And yeah, so let's get into putting sheet metal on. Looks really nice. I'm gonna scuff it up with some red scuff pads and primer all of it, and then I'm gonna do weld through primer on everywhere that's gonna get a spot weld or a stitch weld. Just knock anything loose off. Next thing we're gonna do some weld through primer. I got this on Amazon. I'll link that in the description. That'll take you to my link. This stuff works pretty good. I'm just gonna do it on any edge where I'm gonna weld two panels together. If you're looking for a weld through primer, there you go. Gonna let that sit, do one more coat, and then we'll move on to just the rusty metal primer for the inside. Now these cars really didn't come with any corrosion protection from the factory. You can see whatever blew in when they dipped the car or when they sprayed the car. They weren't supposed to last 40 years, so this car is actually in really good shape for what it is. It stays outside all the time. Anyways, that's kind of why we're doing this. It's open, we can get to it, might as well spray it. Where the window regulators ride, I just threw some tape on it, that way it didn't get all cruddy. I'm gonna re-grease those before I put the quarter panel on. And we're gonna wait for this to dry and move on. Doing the same thing to the outer quarter panel, sprayed rust mort, then we're gonna spray the weld through primer, the rusty primer, then we're gonna slap this thing on there. I'm gonna let this all flash off, and then we're gonna finally put the quarter on the car for the final time. Excited. This body line can come down just a little bit. So I think what I'm gonna do, undo these screws and just set this quarter just 1/8 of an inch down. That way that lines up better. Other than that, the quarter looks really nice. It's got the Coke bottle shape to it again. Side note that I didn't record. These were stuck, seized, torched them out, actually saved them, and adjusted the door up. That way I don't have to do the door pins at the moment. Now it lines up. I've got the quarter panel screwed in where it needs to be. That looks really good. That looks really good. That looks really good. The alignment is pretty dead on. Clamped all the way through the wheel well. Now this line is more accurate. Throw the taillight housing on. Once that fits, I'm gonna start tack welding all the spot welds, and then I'll come back and trim this and butt weld the old and the new back together. I guess you could say the old and the old. I was debating on doing it off the car or on the car, but I think it might be easier not warping the loose sheet metal if I cut this out and then just replace it after I get the majority of this welded on. That's my thought process. I could be wrong. Just continue that all the way down. Okay, it's been a few hours or a few days, doesn't matter. All the top is welded up. I started the grinding process. I don't have that because I have not pulled the gas thing out yet. Front of the door. Inside the door jam's welded. The rocker is welded. I got this left to finish up, but I probably am gonna guess that you guys don't want to see my butt the entire video. So I'm just gonna bypass that clip and we'll get back to grinding once I'm done. So you can see here I'm just grinding with a rock on a grinder, 4.5 inch grinder. And that's getting the thickness of the weld off, but I'm not trying to actually touch the sheet metal. You always want to go horizontal, or at least with the weld. You don't want to go across the weld, because then you're just going to take the sheet metal, which is softer than the MIG weld. You're going to take that and thin that out, and you can blow through you can actually see that I'm using the back of the grinder. So I'll use the front where it's kind of rounded, and then when I'm trying to dig into some spots, I'm using the actual hard lip of the back of the grinder. I don't know if that's totally safe, but that's how I do it. Do it how you want. And then I'm just gonna go over it with the roll lock and knock everything down and try to get it as flat and as smooth as possible. Okay, now that we've got most of the rock grinder work done, I'm gonna use a roll lock wheel. Don't do what I do. I put a cutoff wheel in the roll lock. That's dangerous, but I do it, so take that with a grain of salt. But we're just gonna knock down the rest of all the high spots with this. One thing, might look like I'm doing a lot of grinding, but it's really light touches. You try not to heat the metal up just like when you were welding. And just takes a while, but we're almost there. It's hot. Once again. I think we're going to end the video here. I don't know how long this video is going to be, but I've got to fix the air compressor. It's got a bunch of leaks, and I need to get the desiccant filter to get all the water out, because as you can see, when I'm grinding, all it's doing is spraying moisture on the metal, and I have to get that fixed. So the only thing I have left to do is the wheel well, and that spot right there above the gas cap. Other than that, the quarter panel's done. I have got about 22 hours into it so far, and I think I made pretty good progress. So the next video, I don't know if you guys can see the front of the car. Next video is going to be pulling dents, hammering dents out, pulling panels off. I've already started that video, just bouncing in between doing the quarter and the rest of the car. So I'm going to finish that video up, and then I think we're going to start stripping the whole car and throwing epoxy down and body filler and polyester, and man, I'm hoping it's cool enough this fall to paint this car. I'm hoping to have this car painted October-ish is my goal. So there's going to be quite a few more videos coming out on this car. And then there's also videos that I've got on the El Camino. I've already done a couple of them, and I've got a bunch of other projects. So if you're wondering what I'm doing or where projects are at, I'm just bouncing in between. I think I said that in another video, but I'm just going to keep saying that in case you guys come back and you go, where's the other video? Well, it's coming. I just got to work between the heat and parts coming and fixing my tools. So anyways, I'm going to wrap it up there. Thanks for watching, guys. Liking, subscribing, commenting. There's going to be plenty more on this car to come.